Hi everyone, and welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. I am so happy to see you here with us today. Today, we have a very simple but real story about two travelers, Ken and Mina. They are driving a rental car in a new country, and they face a problem many of us know. They need gas, but they don't know how the system works. You will hear a natural, slow conversation with some real-life thinking and step-by-step problem-solving. Before we begin, I have a listening question for you. When Ken and Mina see the fuel is low, what do you think is the best thing to do first? Should they stop the car immediately or try to find a gas station right away? If you think you know the answer, please write it in the comments section below. Writing your answer in English is a great way to practice and improve your skills effectively. All right, are you ready to start the video? Great, let's begin.
Mina, can you tell me how far it is to the next city?
I think maybe 1 hour? I'm not completely sure. Let me check the map again.
Okay, I'm trying to focus on the road, but wait a second.
What is it? Is something wrong?
The fuel. The needle is going down really fast.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. The line is almost at the bottom.
Do you think it's still okay, or is it getting dangerous?
I don't know. It looks very low, like almost empty.
This is definitely not a good feeling.
We really should have checked the gauge earlier.
Yeah, I honestly thought we had enough to finish the trip.
This car is a rental, right? Maybe it uses fuel faster than our car at home.
Maybe, or perhaps we just drove too much on the highway.
Is the little warning light on yet?
Not yet, but I think it will pop up any minute now.
Okay, let's not panic.
I'm trying my best, but I really don't like this feeling at all.
Just look around. Maybe there is a gas station coming up soon.
Yeah, I'm looking everywhere.
I see some road signs over there, but they look quite far away.
My phone. Mina, can you check the maps for me?
Yes, I'll do it right now.
Wait, I shouldn't hold the phone and drive at the same time.
Don't worry, I can help. Give me just 1 second.
Okay.
Let's see. There is a gas station maybe 5 kilometers ahead.
Only 5? That's much better, I think.
I really hope we can make it there.
Yeah, I think so too.
But the fuel, it's looking really low.
I know. I keep looking at the dashboard.
Don't look at it too much, please. Just focus on the road.
Sorry. I'm just a bit stressed.
We just need to stay calm. Everything will be fine.
Okay, calm. Yes, you're right.
Have you ever filled up a car in the UK before?
No, never. In my country, the system is totally different.
Same for me. So I guess we are learning something new now.
We are definitely learning the hard way.
Yeah, it's a real adventure.
Wait,
What? What happened?
the fuel light. I think it just blinked.
Oh no. Is it staying on?
It's on now. It's bright orange.
Okay. That means we really need to find gas very soon.
How long can a car drive after the light comes on?
I don't know. Maybe 20 kilometers? Maybe even less?
That is not much time at all.
No, not much at all. We have to be careful.
I'm checking the road, but I still don't see a gas station sign.
Just keep going straight. The map says it is just ahead of us.
Okay. I hope the map is right.
Don't speed. Just keep your driving normal and steady.
I'm trying, Mina.
I can feel your stress, Ken.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just worried about stopping in the middle of the road.
It's okay. We will fix this problem very soon.
I really hope so.
Look, I see a small sign. I think it says Petrol.
Where? Where is it?
Over there, on the right side of the street.
Oh, yes. I see it. Finally.
That must be the place.
Thank goodness. I was so worried.
Just a little more. We're almost there.
My hands are actually shaking a little bit.
Mine too. Let's just turn in slowly.
Okay, I'm slowing down and turning in now.
Yes. Do it carefully. The entrance to this station is a bit tight.
This place looks kind of strange and different.
Yeah, I don't see a big sign or anything very clear.
Where should we stop? There are so many different pumps here.
Just pick one. Any empty spot is fine.
This one on the left looks okay.
Perfect. Stop right here.
Okay, engine is off.
We actually made it. We didn't stop on the road.
I feel like I just finished a very difficult test.
I feel exactly the same way.
So, what do we do now?
I think we need to pay first.
Before we even put the fuel in the car?
I'm not sure. Maybe yes, or maybe we pay after we finish.
I see that small machine over there.
The one right next to the pump?
Yeah, maybe we are supposed to use that.
Let's try to figure it out.
Okay, I'll go and check.
Wait, I will come with you.
Okay, should I insert my card here?
Yes, but wait, it says something on the screen.
It's asking for a zip code?
A zip code? What is that supposed to mean?
I think it's like a postal code in the US, but we're in London.
But we're tourists. We don't have a local code to use.
Exactly. So what are we supposed to type in?
Maybe try the code from our hotel?
I don't think that is going to work.
This is already becoming very complicated.
Oh no, the screen says authorization failed.
Maybe I did something wrong with the card.
Or maybe this machine is only for people who live here.
That could be true.
Should we try one more time?
Wait, I don't want to keep trying and have the bank block the card.
Yeah, that's a very good point.
Maybe we should just ask someone for help.
Inside that little shop?
Yes, I see a small store right over there.
Okay, let's go inside together.
I really thought this would be easy, just like in the movies.
Movies always make everything look so simple, don't they?
True. Let's go find someone to help us.
Okay.
Hello. Excuse me, could you help us?
Hi there. Of course. How can I help you today?
Hi, we are a little confused about how to get gas outside.
Oh, sure. No problem at all. Is this your first time at a station here?
Yes, we are tourists and everything looks a bit different.
Got it. Well, at this station, it is usually a prepaid system.
Prepaid? What does that mean exactly?
It means you pay first and then you go out to pump the fuel.
Oh, that explains it. We tried the machine outside, but it asked for a zip code.
Ah, yeah. That happens quite often. Some international cards don't work at the pump.
So that is why the machine failed.
Exactly. It's a security thing.
So what should we do now to get the fuel?
You can just pay right here inside the shop. Just tell me how much you want.
How much? Do you mean the money amount?
Yes, exactly. For example, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, or a full tank, whatever you prefer.
Oh, I see how it works now.
We're really not used to this way of doing things.
That's perfectly okay. Many travelers get confused the first time.
What do you think, Ken?
Maybe 30 pounds?
I think that's a safe amount to get us to the hotel.
Okay, 30 pounds, please.
Sure thing. Which pump number are you using?
Let me look. It's pump number 3.
Got it. 30 pounds on pump 3.
So now we just go back outside and start?
Yes, the pump will be ready for you as soon as the payment is done.
That sounds much simpler than trying to use the machine outside.
Yeah, coming inside is usually easier for first-timers.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Just go ahead and give it a try.
I feel much less stressed now that I understand.
Me too, just a little bit.
Okay, let's go try again.
Step by step.
Step by step.
Okay, we're back outside at the car.
Pump number 3, right here. We're in the right spot.
It looks a bit different now, like the screen is ready for us.
Yeah, the staff member must have activated it from inside.
I really hope I don't mess this up now.
Just follow the steps slowly. It should be very simple.
First, do I take the nozzle out?
Yes, I think that is the first step.
Do I take this out of the machine now?
Good, you're doing great.
Now, where exactly do I put it?
I think it goes right into the car's fuel tank.
Right. Is the tank on the right side of the car?
Yes, I remember seeing it when we picked up the rental.
Okay, I'm opening the little door.
Careful, don't scratch the paint.
Got it open, no problem.
Nice, you are doing a good job.
Now I insert the nozzle like this?
Yes, I think that looks correct.
Okay, it is inside the car now.
Good, everything looks fine.
Now what? Do I just press something?
Maybe you need to squeeze the handle.
Like this?
Wait, yes, I can hear the fuel moving.
Oh, it started. It's actually working.
It's working. We are finally getting some gas.
Wow, it's actually flowing into the tank.
It's so easy after all that worry.
Yeah, but I was honestly so nervous a few minutes ago.
Me too. I really didn't want to get stuck.
I almost thought the car would explode or something crazy.
No, it's very safe. Don't worry.
That is definitely good to know.
Just hold the handle steady while it fills.
Okay, I have it.
How much did we pay the cashier again?
We paid 30 pounds.
So, do you think it will stop automatically?
I think so. The machine should know the limit.
That is very convenient.
In my country, the system is quite a bit different.
Really? How do they do it there?
Usually, an assistant helps you, or you don't have to prepay like this.
Ah, I see. This feels much more like do-it-yourself.
Yeah, everyone here is very independent.
The numbers are going up slowly.
Good, we are almost back to a full tank.
I feel like I am learning a very important new skill today.
It's a classic tourist survival skill.
Exactly. Oh, wait, it just stopped.
Already? Is it finished?
I think it reached exactly 30 pounds.
That was actually quite fast.
Now what do we do?
I think we just put the nozzle back on the pump.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, careful, I don't want to drip.
Don't spill any fuel on your shoes.
I won't, I'm being very careful.
Nice, you did it.
Done, we finished.
We actually did it, Mina.
I honestly can't believe it was this simple in the end.
Well, it certainly didn't feel easy when we first arrived.
That is true. The payment machine outside really confused me.
But now we finally understand how it works.
Yeah, next time we won't have to panic like that.
Hopefully. At least we know the secret now.
Let's go back inside to get the receipt from the cashier.
Oh, yes, we still need that for the rental company.
And maybe we can buy some water. My throat feels very dry.
That is a great idea. I feel a bit tired after all that stress.
Me too. Let's go.
Paro, Excuse me, we finished fueling at pump number 3.
Great! Everything worked out okay for you then?
Yes, finally, we were just a bit confused at the beginning.
It happens all the time. Don't worry about it. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to grab some water for us.
I'll take a bottle too, please. Just the normal kind.
Okay, 2 bottles of water. Now we are ready to go.
It feels so good to see the fuel gauge back up again.
I know. I feel like I can finally breathe normally now.
That whole situation was much more stressful than I expected.
I think it's only complicated the first time you try it.
I hope you're right. At least now we know about the prepaid thing.
Exactly. And we learned that asking for help is much better than struggling alone.
Yeah, I spent too much time trying to make that machine outside work.
Me too. We both wanted to figure it out by ourselves.
But the staff member was so kind. He didn't make us feel silly at all.
That's true. Kind people really make traveling much easier.
So, what is the biggest lesson from today?
First, never wait until the fuel light is blinking.
Yes, that is definitely number 1 on the list.
And second, keep some cash or a backup card ready, just in case.
Good point. No more almost empty adventures for us, okay?
Agreed. From now on, we stop when the tank is half full.
Okay, let's get back on the road and finish this trip.
Next stop? Is it the hotel?
Yes, the hotel, finally. And no more gas problems, hopefully.
Hopefully. I think I will remember this day for a long time.
Me too. Our first time refueling in London.
It wasn't perfect, but we were successful in the end.
That's enough for me. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, seatbelt is on again.
Done. I still feel a little bit tired from the stress.
Same here, but it's a good kind of tired.
Like we solved a difficult puzzle together.
Exactly like that. Teamwork made it happen.
Start the engine and... Wait,
What? Is something wrong again?
did we close the fuel cap properly? I can't remember.
Oh, I think so, but let me double check quickly.
Yeah, it's tight. It's closed perfectly.
Good. That would have been a funny mistake to make.
Yeah, I almost forgot that last step.
Now we will never forget it. Let's go.
Welcome back. So, now you have heard all about Mina and Ken's little adventure at the gas station. It was a simple situation, but it had many small challenges and surprises, didn't it? Now, let me ask you our listening question one more time to see if you remember. When Mina and Ken saw that the fuel was very low, what should they have done first? If you know the answer now, please share it with us in the comments section using English. Remember, writing your thoughts in English is a fantastic way to practice your skills and grow more confident step by step. Thank you so much for joining our lesson today. I truly hope you enjoyed the story and learned some helpful tips for your own real-life travels. I will see you again very soon in the next lesson. Take care, stay curious, and keep practicing your English every single day.